Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's I'm going to show you how to become Xero certified in 2025. An easy and straightforward way to boost your accounting skills and stand out professionally. First, head over to the official Xero Central website and create an account if you don't have already one. It's free to sign up and gives you access to all the learning materials you need. Next, dive into the Xero certification course. This course covers everything from the setting up a Xero organization, managing invoices, reconciling bank accounts, to running reports. The lessons are clear and beginner friendly, with the video tutorials and practice exercise to help you learn fast. Make sure to take notes and practice on your own Xero demo company, which you can access for free during this course. Hands-on experience really helps to reinforce what you learn. Once you feel confident, it's time to take Xero certification exam. The exam is online, timed, and usually takes about 60 minutes. Don't worry, the questions directly reflect the course material, so if you follow along, you will do great. After passing, you'll get the official Xero Certificate Advisor status, which you can showcase your LinkedIn, resume, or freelancing profiles to attract clients and employers. That's it. Sign up, learn, practice, and pass the exam to get certified the easiest way in 2025. If this guy helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your questions below. See you in the next video.